Hi, first graders. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. It's our last day of August. This is our morning meeting and SEL or socially emotional learning time. Boys and girls, if you have not already, you need to log out and watch the Bernstein Bears video because we're going to have questions in our morning meeting slides about the video. So if you have not watched it, go ahead and leave the meeting or recording and then go ahead and come and watch the recording after. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you are watching this. I hope you are having a wonderful day so far. This was today's schedule. You can find it on Class Dojo and on our homeroom page. These are our reminders, which you can also find on our homeroom page. So this was the Bernstein Bears video that you should have watched. So here is the first question. What are some times the bear children should have said please or thank you? I want you to think about that. What are some times from that video that the bear children could have used their manners, saying please or thank you? You might have said, Sister Bear could have said please when asking if Papa Bear or Mama Bear drove her to Lizzie's tomorrow night for their project. You could have said that they could have said thank you. Brother Bear could have said thank you to Mama Bear for sewing his backpack. He could have said thank you to the coach for finding him a new helmet. He could have thank you to the bus driver for waiting for him and Sister Bear. Sister Bear could have said thank you to Papa Bear for her field trip. And Lizzie could have said thank you to Sister Bear for letting her use her eraser and for sharing her lunch with her when she forgot her lunch. Those were all times in our Bernstein Bears video that the bear children could have used please or thank you. Also think about what the janitor, Grumpy Grizzly is what they call him. Why do you think he was so grumpy? Why was he grumpy? Yes, no kids ever said please or thank you to him for all the work he did cleaning up their messes. Okay, next question. How did the bear children learn to say please and thank you? What happened that they learned they needed to use their manners? Yes, nobody was saying it to them when a brother's friend borrowed his math book and when Lizzie was not saying her thank you for sharing her lunch and sharing her eraser when people were not doing it to them. Why should you say please and thank you? Why is it so important that we use our manners? Yes, boys and girls, it's so important because you let people know that you appreciate what they are doing for you. They're taking their time to help you. So you want to show them that you appreciate it. Okay, last question. How do you feel when someone does not say please or thank you? Oh, this gal feels the same way. She feels sad. She doesn't feel like they appreciate or are grateful for what she has done for them. Okay, we're going to do some 10 frame math from Friday, some review. Okay, I want you to look at this. What's the equation of this 10 frame? Yes, you should have said 3 plus 3 equals 6. And how we've got this, boys and girls, is there are 1, 2, 3 green counters. So 3 is our first addend. We are adding, which is why we put the addition symbol in between the addend. And then we got 3 as our second addend because there are 1, 2, 3 purple counters. When you put 3 and 3 together, the sum equals 6. Okay, next one. What's the equation? Good job. You should have said 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 is our first add-in because there are 5 pink counters. 5 is our second add-in because there are 5 teal counters. And 10 is our total because when you add 5 and 5 together, you get 10. Last one. What is the equation for this 10 frame? What is it? Good job. 2 is our first add-in plus 6 is our second add-in equals 8 as the sum. 2 is our first add-in because there are 1, 2 yellow counters. 6 is our second add-in because there are 6 orange counters. And when you add 2 and 6 together, you get the sum of 8. Okay, boys and girls, that's the end of our morning meeting and social emotional learning time. Go ahead and now, if you were unable to participate in the math live lesson, go and watch the math recording. Bye.